I know how frustrating it can be to deal with cat litter odors. That's why I took the time to buy and test these top-rated cat litter boxes. Trust me, you don't want to waste your money on products that don't deliver. I'm here to share my honest experiences so you can make the best choice for your furry friend. Product number 1. Arm & Hammer Clump & Seal Platinum Cat Litter. When I first tried the Arm & Hammer Clump & Seal Platinum Cat Litter, I was taken aback by its promise of 14-day odor control. With 2 cats in my home, odor control is paramount. Upon opening the box, I noticed the fresh scent that filled the air. Not overpowering, but pleasant enough to give me confidence in its effectiveness. As I poured the granules into the litter box, I was impressed by the texture. The granules felt substantial and not at all like the lightweight, dust-prone litters I had used in the past. The real test, however, came after my cats did their business. To my relief, the litter clumped rock hard, making it incredibly easy to scoop. I can't stress enough how important this feature is. In the past, I had been stuck with litter that crumbled, leading to a mess that required more cleaning. This was a game changer. The moisture-activated microgranules did their job, sealing in the odors and keeping my house smelling fresh. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Product number 2. Arm & Hammer Cat Litter Deodorizer Double Duty. Next up is the Arm & Hammer Cat Litter Deodorizer Double Duty. As someone who has tried various deodorizers, I was curious to see if this one lived up to the hype. The first thing I noticed was the size of the container. It's a sizable 30 ounces, which means I won't be running out anytime soon. The scent, cedar and pine, was refreshing without being overpowering. I sprinkled it onto my usual cat litter and was impressed by how quickly it absorbed odors. It was almost instantaneous. I could see the difference in the litter box just hours after application. One of the standout features is that it's safe for daily use around pets and humans alike, which is a huge plus for me. I have kids, and knowing that this deodorizer won't harm them gives me peace of mind. However, I did find that the effectiveness started to wane after about 5 days, so I had to be diligent about reapplying it. This is something to keep in mind if you have a multi-cat household. Product number 3. Enclosed stainless steel cat litter box with lid. Now let's talk about the enclosed stainless steel cat litter box from WoofiGo. Right off the bat, I was drawn to its sleek stainless steel design. It felt durable and sturdy, unlike plastic options that I had previously used that would crack or stain over time. The extra large size is another bonus. My big cat needs room to maneuver, and this litter box delivered. When I set it up in my home, the high-sided enclosure became an instant favorite. The design minimizes mess, and I found that litter scatter reduced significantly. Cleaning was a breeze, too. Unlike traditional plastic litter boxes that cling to odor and waste, this stainless steel option was easy to wipe down. The unique high wall design offers my cat the privacy he craves while keeping everything neatly contained. The secure buckle connection between the high wall and the litter pan is a thoughtful feature, ensuring stability and preventing any accidental spills. However, the price point is somewhat higher than traditional litter boxes, which might deter some buyers, but if you're looking for a long-term solution that doesn't hold odors and is easy to clean, it's worth considering. Product number 4. Stainless steel litter box with lid. The next product on my list is the stainless steel litter box with lid from Lobabe. Right away, I could tell that this was designed for convenience and durability. The first thing that struck me was its clever design. It features both front entry and top exit options, making it customizable for different cats. My older cat tends to prefer the top entry, while my younger one doesn't mind the front. The versatility is simply fantastic. At 24 by 16 by 17 inches, this litter box is spacious enough for even the biggest of cats. I filled it with litter and was pleased to find that it held up over time without any signs of rust or odor retention, something I had struggled with in plastic boxes. The modular setup made cleaning much easier. I could take apart sections without fuss. Plus, the included litter mat was a game changer for minimizing stray litter around the house. However, I did notice that the price is on the higher side. It's an investment, but if you're the type of owner who values quality and longevity, it's worth every penny. Finally, let's dive into the Amazon Basics No Mess Hooded Cat Litter Box. I was skeptical about a budget option, but this product proved to be surprisingly effective. The first thing I loved was the swinging plastic door. It allowed my cats to enter and exit with ease while keeping the mess contained. The size is also ideal for standard-sized cats, giving them ample space to do their business comfortably. One of the features that stood out was the pre-installed carbon filter. It really did help in controlling odors, and I appreciated that replacement filters are available. The plastic material feels durable, and I noticed that it resists stains and odors, which is critical when you're dealing with litter. The enclosed design provided my cats with a sense of privacy, and they seemed to appreciate that. On the downside, I did find that the litter box required more frequent cleaning than some of the higher-end options. If you're someone who prefers to set it and forget it, this might not be your best bet.